Hello, my name is Jose. I'm a caffeinated human and content creator at 787 Coffee. Dulce de Leche is a delicious caramelized milk sauce that has a perfect balance of sweetness and creaminess. How to make a Dulce de Leche Macchiato at home. Start by brewing a shot of espresso using an espresso machine or coffee maker. In a small saucepan, over medium heat, warm 1 cup of milk until steaming. Once the milk is hot, remove it from the heat and whisk in 1 tablespoon of dulce de leche until it dissolves. Pour a double espresso shot into a mug. Slowly pour the milk and dulce de leche mixture over the double espresso shot, creating a layered effect. Your homemade dulce de leche macchiato is now ready. Enjoy your delicious and 787 original drink. Stay caffeinated and keep watching our Coffee Drinks Explained guide, courtesy of 787 Coffee. A from farm to cup coffee experience, sustainable growing process, roasted to perfection and brewed with passion and love.